Hello, friends and followers. I almost have the Manor Loop board working for the second Paragon that I picked up. I had to pull apart this Manor Loop board and give it a resolder and look for issues. It's working. I also had to futz with the slug, which I hate doing, to get it to lock, but it's not completely working. Anyway, so what I've done to debug this is a working Paragon that I first had and that I got working. So I've just been putting in boards from Paragon number 2, and Paragon number 2 is right there. So I've been yanking boards out of this thing and putting them into Paragon number 1, the one that works. And so I think I did get the major loop board to work, which is right there. That one works. The minor loop board in this radio seems problematic, so I can't get this to seem to work on the bend edges, and my theory is it might have problems. It might have problems with the charge pump capacitors or something like that it can't seem to regulate well. So maybe tomorrow I'll replace some of the charge pump capacitors and look for more solder joints that are bad, but it has promise. It does work. Anyway, here's how it malfunctions. So I can go down toward the limit of the minor loop bandpass, and if I want to get down to 72000, that's not going to happen. If I want to go up to the end of the bandpass, and I think that's like 2 kcs. Yeah, right about there. It should let me do that too, but it doesn't. So it seems like at the edges of its travel, the edges of 2 kcs, I can't get there. So I can't really get here. And if I go try to get to 7200, I can't get there. And this would be true on any band at all. So 7200, I can get close to it, but it should dump me out here. 7200. It's working. I'm not sure why it is working now. It's weird. That wasn't working at all. Okay, there, it'll dump me out of it. Let's see. Come on. Yep. Okay, so that's a problem. And this will happen on all bands. So if I go, say, to 10 here, it will happen on all bands. And when I get close to the bottom here, it'll fake out. See that? So I gotta figure that out. But it is locking now somewhat, so that's progress there. So I'm very close to having it working perfectly. I just gotta get the minor loop board now squared away. The major loop board is fixed. And then we'll see if this Paragon does anything besides lock. We'll see if it transmits. We'll see if it receives. This one is loaded though. It's got all the filters. It's got all the spare boards. So we'll see how it works, if I can get it to lock. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.